Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, the place where learning English feels easy, friendly, and fun. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack. It's great to have you with us again.
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the like button. It really helps our little English community grow.
That's right. Every lesson here is about real-life English, the kind of English you can use when you travel, meet new people, or go shopping.
Speaking of shopping, today's lesson is one of my favorites. We're going shopping for clothes.
Ah, yes, clothes. Shirts, pants, dresses, jackets, we all need them, and we all have to buy them at some point.
Exactly. And when you're shopping in an English-speaking country, you'll need to know how to ask for your size, your color, or the price. So today we'll practice everything you need to talk about shopping for clothes, from walking into the store to choosing what to buy.
So, let's get started. Imagine this. You're walking into a clothing store. What do you say first?
Let's start with a simple greeting. When you walk into a shop, you can say, "Hello," "Hi," "Good afternoon." These are polite and friendly ways to greet the shop assistant.
And usually the shop assistant will say something like, "Hello, can I help you?" Or, "Hi there, how can I help you today?"
If you just want to look around, you can reply, "I'm just looking, thank you." It's a very natural phrase.
Right. You can also say, "Just browsing, thanks."
Yes, browsing means you're looking but not sure what you want yet.
Okay, Olivia, let's imagine a scene. You're the customer, and I'll be the shop assistant.
Perfect.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, I'm just looking, thank you.
Sure. Let me know if you need any help.
Thank you.
See? Simple, polite, and friendly.
Now, when you find something you like, you can ask questions like, "How much is this? Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in size medium?"
Yes, those are super useful. Let's break them down.
Sure. When you ask, "How much is this?" you're asking about the price. If you want to be extra polite, you can say, "Excuse me, how much is this shirt?"
Or, could you tell me the price of this dress, please?
Exactly. And when you want a different color, you can say, "Do you have this in black?" Or, "Do you have it in red?"
For example, do you have this jacket in blue?
Perfect. And what about size?
You can say, do you have this in size small? Do you have this in a larger size? Or do you have this in a smaller size?
Good. Let's practice that with a mini dialogue. "Excuse me, how much is this jacket?"
That one is $50.
Okay. "Do you have it in blue?"
Yes, we do. Here it is.
Nice. "Do you have it in size medium?"
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
After you find something you like, you'll probably want to try it on. To do that, you can say, "Can I try this on?" "Where is the fitting room?" Or, "Is there a changing room?"
Yes, fitting room and changing room mean the same thing. They are places where you can try on clothes.
Let's practice that too. "Excuse me, can I try this on?"
Of course, the fitting rooms are over there.
"Thank you." "It fits perfectly."
Great, it looks good on you.
"Thank you. I think I'll take it."
Sure, I'll put it at the counter for you.
Now, let's learn a few phrases about price. Sometimes you want to know if something is cheap or expensive. You can say, "It's too expensive." "That's a bit expensive."
That's a good price. It's on sale.
"That's a bargain."
Yes, on sale means the price is lower than usual. For example, these jeans are on sale, only $20.
And bargain means something is very cheap, a great deal.
Exactly. Let's practice another little scene.
"How much are these jeans?"
They're $60.
That's a bit expensive. "Do you have anything cheaper?"
Yes, these ones are on sale, only $30.
"Oh, that's a good price. I'll take these."
Great choice.
When you go shopping, It helps to know how to describe clothes, their color, style, and material. Here are some common words. Colors: red, blue, green, yellow, white, black, pink, brown, gray. Materials: cotton, wool, silk, leather, denim. Styles: long-sleeved, short-sleeved, striped, plain, patterned.
Let's make a few examples.
Sure. I like this red cotton shirt. Do you have a black leather jacket? This blue dress is beautiful.
Excellent. And when you talk about what you're wearing, you can say, I'm wearing jeans and a t-shirt. She's wearing a long coat. He's wearing a hat.
Right. The verb to wear is very useful for clothing. Let's go over a few more expressions you might hear in a store. For example, would you like to try it on? It suits you. It looks good on you. It's too big. It's too small. It fits perfectly.
Let's make a short dialogue with those. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. It's too big.
Maybe try a smaller size.
Oh, yes, this one fits perfectly.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. I'll buy it. Now, when you're ready to pay, you go to the counter or cash register. You might hear, "Are you ready to pay? Would you like to pay by cash or card?"
And you can say, by card, please. I'll pay in cash.
Let's make that part sound natural.
Are you ready to pay?
Yes, please, by card.
Sure. Please tap your card here.
Okay, done.
Great. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Nice and easy, right?
Yes, these are all very natural phrases you can use when you go shopping anywhere in the world.
And that's what makes learning English fun. These little real-life situations that make you more confident.
Exactly. And don't go away. In the next part, we'll visit another section of the store and practice even more natural conversations while shopping.
Yes, we'll talk about asking for help, compliments, and making decisions about what to buy.
So make sure to stay with us.
And of course, if you're enjoying this lesson, hit the like button, subscribe to Easy English Daily, and keep practicing with us every day.
Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next part.
That was great, Olivia. You found a nice shirt and you asked all the right questions. Now, are you ready for the next part of our shopping trip?
Oh, yes, I think I'm ready. Let's go to the shoe section. I really need a new pair of shoes.
Perfect. Let's go and learn how to talk about buying shoes in English.
Wow, look at all these shoes. There are so many kinds. Sneakers, boots, sandals, heels. It's like a shoe paradise.
Yes, that's true. And when you're in an English-speaking country, you might need to ask for help in the shoe store. Let's practice that.
Okay, let's do it. Hello. Excuse me, do you have these sneakers in size 7?
Sure, let me check. What color would you like?
Maybe white. They look clean and go with everything.
We have white, black, and light blue. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please.
And that's a key phrase. Would you like to try them on means, do you want to see if they fit your feet?
Oh, I see. Try on means to test or wear something before buying.
Exactly. You can also say, can I try these on?
Got it. So I can say, can I try these on in size 7, please?
Perfect sentence, Olivia. That's how you do it.
Okay, let me put them on. They feel a little tight.
Then you can say, they're too tight.
Too tight means not comfortable, right?
Yes, it means they're small for your feet. If they're big, you say, they're too loose.
I see. So, too tight, small. Too loose, big.
Exactly. You can also say, they fit well,
if the size is perfect.
Okay, let me try the next size. Oh, these fit much better. I can say, these fit well, right?
Yes, great. You sound natural.
Thanks. So, can I try these on and they fit well, easy and useful? Excuse me, how much are these sneakers?
They're $50, but today we have a 20% discount.
Oh, that's nice. A discount. That means it's cheaper than the original price, right?
Exactly. You can ask, is there a discount? Or, do you have any sales today?
Okay, let me try that. Do you have any discounts today?
Perfect, Olivia. Very polite and clear. Now, let's move to the accessories section. Bags, belts, hats, and jewelry.
Great. I'd love a new handbag. Wow, look at this one. It's so pretty.
Would you like to take a look at this bag? It's new this season.
Yes, please. I love the color.
When you're shopping for accessories, you can say things like, "Can I see that one? Can I hold it? It looks nice. I like the design."
Oh, easy and useful. Can I see that one, please? I'll use that next time.
Great. And if you want to talk about color, you can say, I like the red one. Do you have it in black? This color doesn't suit me.
Suit me means it doesn't look good on me?
Exactly. You can say, this color suits me, or this style doesn't suit me.
Okay, so this yellow bag suits me better than the blue one.
Excellent, Olivia. You're getting really good at this. Now, imagine you're ready to pay.
Okay. Excuse me, I'd like to pay for these shoes and this bag, please.
Sure. Will you be paying by cash or card?
By card, please.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Good job. You can also say, can I pay by card? Do you take credit cards? Can I get a receipt, please?
Oh, yes, the receipt. That's the paper showing what you bought.
Exactly. And if you want to return something, you can say, I'd like to return this, please.
Or can I get a refund if you want your money back?
Right. Those are really practical phrases for real-life shopping. Let's do a short practice conversation, okay? I'll be the clerk, and you be the customer again.
Let's go.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for some comfortable shoes.
What size are you?
I'm a size 7.
We have these in size 7. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. They fit well. How much are they?
They're $50, but there's a discount today.
Oh, that's nice. I'll take them, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
Yes, I'd like to see that red handbag.
Here you go.
It looks lovely. I'll take it too. Can I pay by card?
Sure. Please tap your card here.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Wow, I think I did pretty well today. I bought shoes and a handbag, and I used so many new phrases.
You did great, Olivia. You practiced how to ask for size and color, try things on, talk about fit and style, ask about discounts, pay for items.
Yes, I feel much more confident now.
And remember, listeners, you can do the same. When you go shopping, just use the same simple phrases. Practice them aloud or write them down. Let's quickly review today's key phrases together. Can I try these on? They fit well. They're too tight. Too loose? Do you have this in another color? Is there a discount today? Can I pay by card? Can I get a receipt, please?
easy and useful. I think everyone can practice these phrases at home.
Absolutely. And for extra practice, you can imagine a shopping dialogue with a friend, just like we did.
Thank you for joining us today on Easy English Daily. We hope this lesson helps you feel more confident the next time you go shopping.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new English conversation lesson.
Yes, we upload new lessons every week, from daily routines to travel, food, and fun topics like shopping.
That's right. Keep practicing, stay relaxed, and enjoy learning.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye for now.